Hello friends, welcome to Library Facts. In today's video, we'll learn how to use Boolean operators to improve your online and database search results. This is a must-know skill for students, researchers, librarians, and information professionals. Watch till the end to become a smart searcher. What are Boolean operators? Boolean operators are simple words that connect your search terms to either expand or narrow your search results. The three most commonly used operators are and, or, and not. They help in filtering relevant information from a large sea of data. They're simple to learn and powerful to use. The and operator. The and operator is used when you want both terms to appear in your results. Example, library and technology. This will show results that include both the words library and technology. It helps in narrowing down your search and gives more focused results. The or operator. Use the or operator when you want results containing either of your search terms. Example, education or training. You'll get results that include either the word education or training, or both. This operator broadens your search and brings more variety. The not operator. Not is used to exclude a term from your search. Example, library not school. This will give you results about libraries, but not related to schools. It helps eliminate unwanted or irrelevant information. Suppose you're doing research on digital libraries in India. Search, digital library in India. You'll get results specifically about digital libraries in the Indian context. Now try digital library or e-library. This brings results about both. Boolean operators are usually not case sensitive. This means an and or and will work the same. But writing them in uppercase is a good habit. It makes them stand out and easy to read. Most search engines understand them in uppercase. Use quotation marks to keep phrases together, and brackets to organize complex queries. Example, library science and research. Quotes ensure that the phrase library science is searched as one term. Brackets help control the search order, just like in math. If you want to search multiple terms, Boolean operators are your best friends. Example, technology or innovation and library. This will return results about libraries connected with either technology or innovation. It's great for advanced research. Library tools like OPAC, Koha, and digital repositories support Boolean operators. They help users find specific resources quickly. Librarians often use them to train patrons on effective searching. It's a key part of modern library services. Yes, even Google supports Boolean operators. Try cite.edu and library science. This will return only educational websites with the term library science. Google doesn't use not. Instead, you use a -sign symbol. Example, library school. Boolean operators and filters are different. Filters limit results by date, type, or language, while Boolean controls the relationship between search terms. Using both together gives you highly accurate search results. Use and not to narrow your search. They reduce the number of results but increase relevance. Use or to broaden your search, more results, but possibly less specific. Choose based on your research goal. Incorrect operator use or missing brackets can spoil your search. Don't mix up and or without using brackets. Check for proper syntax and quotation marks. A small error can give completely unrelated results. Practice Boolean searching on Google Scholar, JSTOR, PubMed, or library databases. Try different combinations and notice how the results change. With regular use, Boolean logic becomes second nature. It's a skill worth mastering. A normal keyword search gives broad results. Boolean searching lets you control what appears and what doesn't. It saves time and delivers targeted information. In short, Boolean is smart searching. Boolean operators help sharpen your research skills. Whether you're writing a paper, preparing a thesis, or gathering facts, you can get more relevant content faster and with less effort. Students, teachers, and librarians benefit greatly from Boolean logic. It improves information-seeking behavior and critical thinking. Boolean operators may seem simple, and or not, but their impact on search quality is huge. Used wisely, they can save hours of time and bring pinpoint accuracy. Start using them today and see the difference. Did you find this video helpful? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Library Facts for more educational content. Thank you for watching.